Hey guys, welcome to my sewing room. So I thought I would post this video about a few things that I do in my room because I don't like to buy new stuff. I really don't. I like to reuse, repurpose, all this kind of stuff. So I thought I'd give you a little tour of the things that I do to make sure that none of my fabric goes in the garbage. So here is where I sew, and I'll give you this little tour. So as I'm sewing, as I'm trimming, none of my storage is fancy. We've got pickle jars, we've got soup cans, nothing fancy to see here, but there's all my scraps. So I try to sort them out as best I can, and then they're quick to grab, sew up something, and you're done. You're using them. And thread is always a wasteful thing. I've got it everywhere. So gift bags, perfect. They have the flat bottom. You can set them on your floor anywhere you need them. And there's more stuffing. I call it stuffing. A lot of people call it garbage, but it's not here. This is what I stuff all my little critters with, like those little pincushion owls that you see me post. That's what they're stuffed with. Anyways, I have these bags set up all over. Like, sorry, I'm not trying to make you seasick here. My cutting table. Again, nothing fancy. My pincushion. My son made this for me out of a Cheese Whiz lid. That was kind of gross on the bottom. Anyways, love it. This storage, old hay bale twine I covered in fabric. Perfect little dish for all this stuff. But like I said, here's another flat bottom bag. Stuffing, whole bunch of it. Little bits. And yeah, more scraps. Save everything. Anyways, guys, just thought I'd share. This is all my thrifted fabric and things. My pile that I haven't got put on my shelves yet. Yeah, I might have a problem. But look at this stuff. Like, that's a big bundle of fabric. A huge bundle of fabric. $8. Like, why in the world would you buy that new? Anyways, it's my opinion. Something else I want to show you guys quick. I've been getting pretty good reviews from these. I send them out when somebody places an order. They're my idea of a business card. And all it is scraps. I don't like throwing anything out. There you go. Pretty easy peasy. Easy peasy. And it's a cute little fun project. When you just want to sew quick and you don't want to get into a big project, why not get into these? Look at this, a whole bunch of scraps sewn together. Makes a pretty easy business card. And it kind of says exactly what I'm all about. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you have any questions or whatnot, give me a shout.